Hey everyone, it's Liza King again with the Liza King team at Keller Williams, and I am joined here with our lender from next door, AMCAP, Bill
Bame.
Bill Bame.
It's spelled weird. B-O-E-H-M, and it comes out Bame for some reason. Okay.
So last week you heard me talking about if you don't have good credit, there's a program that you can still purchase a house, but you're really renting it until you get your credit up to where it's supposed to be. Well, I've got fantastic news. There's a program that you can call me and I will put you on it, and Bill is here kind enough to explain what that is. It's called Credit Up. Bill, will you explain exactly to our viewers what this program does and why they should join?
Absolutely. If you've ever heard of traditional credit repair, where you pay them a bunch of money up front and then for 6 months nothing seems to happen because they're putting everything into dispute, that whole model's going the way of the dinosaur. It really is.
It's terrible too, because I've always thought, well, if I could afford to pay $180, $200 to a credit repair company, why not pay down my bills instead?
That's right.
Yeah.
That's right. So they kind of created their own problem there. But then think about 5 years ago, if you wanted a security system in your house. You had to have a guy, he had to come, he had to bring a truck, he has to have a degree in how to do it, and now what? You go on Amazon, you buy the tools, you set them up on Bluetooth
right.
in your house.
Yep.
That's kind of the way credit repair is going as well. We've made it so that the client can do their own credit repair.
Awesome. That sounds really exciting, and I know that I signed up, and I know that I can invite as many clients as I want because it's free for me to add them on. Now tell us, what does it cost them? Because I'm sure that people are saying, well, if we're not paying $200 for a credit repair, how does this exactly work and what do we pay?
Okay. The way it works is, I know you've all seen the television commercial where the girl's sitting on the park on the bench park. It says, "Oh, I got a 27-point boost from Experian.com." There was no person on the other end of that. That was just an algorithm that saw that her credit card utilization was slightly out of whack and gave her advice on how to do it. That's what the Credit Up Club is. It takes all these algorithms, bundles them into one place where you, the client, can go in once a month for $30. You do a soft pull on your own credit so that that computer has something new to work with. If the computer gives you a bunch of advice and you don't complete those tasks for 2 months, there's no reason to go in and pull a new one. What you're going to do is you're going to follow the advice that's given you. When those tasks are completed, you're going to go in again. There is no long-term commitment. There is no sign-up fee. $30 every time you, the client, go in and pull your own credit so that that computer has new things to advise you on.
I really love that, because before I signed up for the Credit Up Club, which by the way, I have not fantastic credit, but I have good credit, but I want to make it improve more. So I signed up for it. And before I signed up, I used to have it monitored every single month, for a certain fee. And this way I don't have to pay every single month, only when you're going to go purchase a home or a car, whatever it is. But this is mortgage specific. You can go and pull your credit. The AI, the artificial intelligence, I forgot his name, but he's really cute, by the way. He comes up and he will tell you exactly what you need to do, and he'll even write the letters for you to send off. Is that correct?
That's right.
Yeah.
That's one of the biggest problems with traditional credit repair is when they put an account into dispute. The creditor has 90 days to not answer that letter. If it comes from a credit repair agency, they have 90 days to absolutely ignore it. And then they can send a little form letter that says, yeah, we're pretty sure your person owes us this money.
Right.
But there's no details.
Exactly.
When that letter comes from an individual, they have 30 days to respond in detail. And guess what? They don't have any details. They bought your account from another collection agency
That's right.
who knows nothing about you either. So those accounts, they get cleared up much, much faster. And that computer doesn't give you advice that's not going to work for mortgages.
Correct.
Some of the tricks will get you a quick bump, but let's just say, put these 3 accounts into dispute. All you're doing is hiding those 3 lines from the credit report.
Right.
First thing an underwriter is going to do is say, take those 3 accounts out of dispute and show me what the score looks like.
Yep.
Let's get rid of them completely.
Yes.
And you can do it in 30 to 60 days instead of 5 or 6 months with traditional credit repair.
Exactly. And for those of you that have shown interest in purchasing a home and you think, oh, I'm a whole year out because my credit is so bad. Well, if you follow exactly what the Credit Up Club tells you to do and the little AI robot, you might be able to do it in 6 months. And that's not a long time versus the normal credit repair or the previous credit repair programs that took 6 months and did absolutely nothing. This is going to help you much faster.
That's right. And then there are tons of videos that you can watch on the site about budgeting, about what works long-term and short-term, about little tricks, little things like having the right number of credit cards. That's important. Keeping the utilization down. That's important. What to do with old collection accounts. All these little things, all these little tricks that can help you put yourself in better position, not only to qualify, but to qualify for a much better rate when you're ready to pull the trigger on that new home.
Yes, thank you so much, Bill. I was very excited when I heard about this program because I have several clients that have already signed up for it and that are seeing improvements. So if you're ready and able and you want to sign up for the credit club, please reach out to me. All my information's down below and I'll sign you up, and the AI will take good care of you, and then we'll get together with Bill and get you on the road to home ownership. Thank you so much for being here with us today.
You bet.